Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my second favorite way to put my bicycle or my road bike, my mountain bike, inside my car so I can transport it without a bike rack on the back. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So in this video, I'm going to be using my large mountain bike, this GT Aggressor Pro. I'm going to fit it in my car and transport it. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is move up my front seat on the passenger side as far as I can and just push it up. So that's moved up all the way. Then I'm going to use this crappy beach towel that I got from like a pool or a hotel. I'm going to put it in the back seat and just put this across. So just like this. Now, go ahead and take off the front tire on your bicycle. Now, what I'm going to do may mess up some of your cables. I'm going to rotate it all the way around for the handlebar, just like this. Now, the side with the gears, go ahead and face that towards the front of the vehicle, just like this. So it's going to be facing this way. And have your front pedal down like this. And then your pedal facing you, have that up. So let's put it in. So my handlebars are rotated, just like this, and I'm going to place it. Now, the pocket that we kind of created when we pushed up our front seat is where we're going to place our back tire. So let's get in the car a little bit more and push this bicycle in. Alright, there we go. So this is just about it. Boom. So that is it. Now let's get a closer look. So we can see my back tire has to fit in so I can close my door so that fits. Now one of the problems I have is, well, I mountain bike a lot, so I get a lot of dirt all over my car, so I don't like that. So I end up having to wash the back seat of my car quite often. So if you do have a new car with like leather interior, you may not want to go ahead and do this method. You may want to try my first method where you take the passenger seat and just put it all the way flat and recline it. Now the other problem is if you do have disc brakes, the front end might go ahead and be resting on the seat, so that might damage it. And the other problem is the cables by rotating the handlebars. But you can fit an entire large mountain bike in the back seat of your car. So if you have no other ways of transporting it, this definitely will work out in your sedan. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to mountain bikes on YourSixAdventures.